In a world where plant-based diets are gaining popularity, certain vegan foods often remain under the radar. Today, let's shine a light on some of these nutritional powerhouses. First, jackfruit deserves mention. This tropical fruit, known for its fibrous texture, is an excellent meat substitute, often used in vegan pulled pork recipes. Moving on, lupini beans are another hidden gem, popular in Mediterranean cuisine. They're packed with protein, yet low in calories. Next up, we have nutritional yeast. It offers a cheesy flavor and is fortified with essential B vitamins, making it a must-have for vegan recipes. Lastly, seaweed, such as nori, provides iodine, crucial for thyroid function, and enriches salads and wraps. With so much diversity, exploring these options can transform any vegan journey.